Menteri Rangba Kajala Dr. Mukul Sangma ka nyau tarik nailur ulabo ika Jingkylli ya ka Liang Pyrshah habide ba ka no confidence motion ka bakalawan ra Pyrshah yu lampang ka yang darbar thawan habu jubab ika Jingkylli jong ka batisi TV hadian balawai ka Jingyelang jong Congress Legislature Party CLP bat jong ka sarkar MUA2 Menteri Rangba ulaong ya menta ui ka Jingstart ka jong ka Liang Pyrshah lada kisngau ka Jingwan ra ya ka no confidence motion kan ai ka Jingbishar hok nakabenta ki jingron kam jong upat ba klem ka jingkanto Pyrshah ula Jingkylli hato ka jingwan ra yakum kini ki motion lane ka no confidence kan long kamat ka ban kentio ya ka roi ka par jong ka jila.
And since we also have the session, so we discuss about a few of the legislative measures which is in the offing. Also, we also discuss about few of the legislative measures which are pending for consideration by the August House. As you are aware about the Meghalaya Residents Safe and Security Bill 2016, which was introduced before the August House for its consideration during the budget session 2016, which the House considered it appropriate to be referred to the Select Committee. The Select Committee have decided also to ensure that we are able to prepare the report and seek the time slot during the ensuing session and place the report before the August House for further consideration of this pending bill, the Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Bill 2016.
Banchupentep yakano confidence haka dorbar senrai kaban sedang khandai tarik mentau benai kabade Pyrshah ulampang anwan ra do MLA Liang Pyrshah James ki sangma nakaliang Menteri Rangba ulaban shushu tak baong bamanla wei dukhat jong yang dorbar kidi banang kumnuru banjiet pat kimat jong ki jing e jong ka jala pa jong upat ba hapok ka dorbar bat ban pelut ya kapor ka bakerpang nakabenta ki jingdan kam jong upat ba.
Analysis of where we are and are we being able to actually fulfill these promises to an extent that says okay, we are on the right track, or if not, then which are those promises which need to be attended to in a priority manner so that we are able to ensure complete fulfillment of our promises. So these are the discussions that we have met, and at the same time as a CLP we demonstrate our resolve to demonstrate our unity as a party, and together with the partners in the MUA we also demonstrate our unity for a purpose. The purpose is for ensuring that we fulfill the promises for the people that we have made, and various other likely challenges that we might confront during the forthcoming ensuing autumn session were also discussed, and the overall strategy as to how we should have the floor management during the session were also discussed, and so that's a usual culmination.
Hakoi kaliang hakabedei ka jingbompoi jong ba penchangan an CM UCM ka KHDC syaka Jingyelang jong CLP pat ka tu ka ningut ki MLA Dr. Mukul la kentai ka Jingkylli bat ong kam dei ka bakila ja khnang hendai ka de ka kam ka bakila pep nakadaw ki ba omla ban kiar ban leit pendep iki kam ki ba sa ateng.
Mr. Penchangan and CM. So can we say that this CLP?
No, you see, not only one of the honorable members is absent. We have number of honorable members of the CLP who could not attend today. I will not refer that they are missing. Okay, I will say that they are absent, and they have informed. They have given their own respective reasons. Say, for example, even one of the members of the cabinet, Zenit Sangma, is not in station. He already had some program which has been frozen long time ago, and it is not appropriate for ministers and also the other colleagues in the government and also the members to keep on postponing programs. So they have informed us that they have these programs. Should they cancel or not, or should they go ahead? So I have given a green signal, okay, you go ahead with the programs. So not only one or two, but there are as many as 5 members who are out of station and are actually engaged in their respective official duty. Similarly, the member concerned you are referring to also has informed through my CLP secretary that because of certain preoccupation, he's not attending. So this is how we look at things, and then we look at positive things, we don't look at negative things.
Habai day but kiwi kimat tong jingelang tong CLP ba ka MUA Dr. Mukul ong ka jingshong jingelang karpang kalong kum shibenta man pensngotho ya ki MLA jong ka sen Congress kumjuru ya kito ki ba Kirshan ya ka parti banthau ya ka sarkar bakin pendap hok ya ka kamram ka bakila kular haswa ka election. Habai day pat kumno uyo I Halor ki arngut ki menteri ki badang sudap ban penrong hapok ka kanon menteri lakin la ne man penurlong bat ka kam ka bala benshat haki uba Dango baruba Roni V Lingdo hapo ka dorbar senrai banwan Dr. Mukul ong umdan ka jing artatien bat kini ki arngut.
So you have two fresh ministers with important portfolios. So how do you see like whether they can perform on this coming session?
You see, any space that's given to our friends from amongst the political class, what we have seen over the years, whether it is in respect of Meghalaya or other states, whether it is in respect of the state or union, for every member of the August House, which we as members of the August House represent, it's an opportune moment to actually demonstrate our commitment level, our commitment to deliver, and that commitment obviously is an outcome of our love for the people and the state. And I have reasons to believe that these colleagues have the love and concern for the people of the state, the love for the state, and therefore I have no doubt about the fact that they will try to bring the best out of themselves and therefore do justice to whatever privileges and opportunities they have today.
Do you see that there will be the results for the upcoming election 2018 if they can perform?
You see, every member of the cabinet and all other friends who are also outside the cabinet, all of us are equally responsible for ensuring result-oriented action. If some of our colleagues in the cabinet are found to be going slow, then it's our other friends who are outside the cabinet who, in course of this kind of discussion and deliberations, flag the issues, draw the attention, and ensure that we again resolve and renew our commitment to deliver. So it's not just the members who are privileged to be in the cabinet, but the members as a team in the ruling group. And not only that, members of the ruling group, even our friends in the opposition. As we again have the session, you will see many of our friends in the opposition again flagging the issues, drawing the attention of the government, and that gives enough opportunity for us to have any mid-course correction and also to see whether we are on the right track, and if not, then what are the other corrective measures that is required to be resorted to by us as a responsible leaders committed to fulfill our purpose, the purpose of actually meeting the aspirations and expectations of the people. So I look at from that angle, everybody in the system, all the friends in the political class are equally important, not just the friends in the cabinet, not just the friends in the ruling, but also the friends in the opposition. That's how I look at it.
With this coming session, you will also be facing NC against the speaker. So how do you take on it? Because this is a second consecutive time.
I will put it that way, that every member of the August House must know how to set their priorities vis-a-vis the issues. What is the most important issue before the state, before the people? And whether they would like to utilize this time, the time which is available before each one of us as members of the August House, to actually utilize that time for the purpose which they think will actually benefit the state. I will put it that way. If that kind of agenda is perceived to help the state, so I leave it to their wisdom. But as far as I'm concerned, if anything that they resort to, any member of the August House, whether on an individual capacity or as a member belonging to any political party or as a member belonging to the conglomeration of political party, if they feel that by doing or by resorting to any kind of taking up any issue or bringing in any kind of whether it is an issue or a motion or a no confidence motion against the speaker, I leave it to their wisdom. If they think that if any one of the any member of the August House feels that by doing that they're doing justice to the people of the state, so I leave it to the wisdom, because that is the kind of vibrant environment that our democracy provides. So everybody has their wisdom, own wisdom to
But don't
utilize.
you think that this is an indirect attack to you?
Well,
as an agenda?
you see, that's why I'm saying it's up to. I'm leaving it to their wisdom. Do they have any other agenda, much better agenda, or not? It's up to them to decide.
Habai day pat ka Jingkylli ka Shuki Deputy Speaker ne simbot lampang hapok ka ying torba thawaan ka jela Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong pat ka Jingyelang jong ka Congress Legislature Party pat ka Meghalaya United Alliance tu kamshim lai kran AA kuman chupin kan mau hakar phoi tarik uliber arja khatsan ba san bor sulai ule eno ekakam Deputy Speaker par loang bola eno yakate ka kam namar kidaw shimet pat shim la sha pen bor hanu ru